Hello, this is the Tachibana Tech channel coming at you with another unboxing video. And today we got our hands on the Pixel tablet. Now it is really nice to see Google getting back in the game of designing tablets. They had one for a while and stopped because it was wildly unpopular, but they've come back with a new version, obviously called the Pixel, like it says right on the box. And honestly, I think they did it right because it also includes a charging speaker dock. Now, not a lot of others just throw that in there for free, and you can get a spare from Google for about 150 bucks. But this is a good start to potentially a good tablet. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the box here. It's nice and plain, which is what we expect anymore from tablet makers. Yeah, just docks right on there, which is kind of nice right there. You can even see it in action right here where he's just putting the tablet on the base, which makes it look like the Nest Hub Max. All right, let's go ahead and get this open. As you can see, there's an easy open tab here and here, so you can open it from either direction. All right, that's the bottom. I think there was, yep, one up top. All right. Well, that was anticlimactic. Try it from this side. Okay, let's go ahead and get this open. Nice. Okay, so obviously the first thing we see is the Pixel tablet. It's a nice size. I'm not seeing an easy way to get this out. Oh, right there, the tab. Nice. All right. It's using paper instead of plastic like most tablet manufacturers are doing now in order to help save the environment a little. And there's the tablet itself. It's pretty light, which is really nice. Okay, we also have what's probably a lot of documentation. It seemed like a lot, but it's really just a plastic piece of cardboard. It's probably to help stabilize the tablet in shipment. Those are the easiest steps for getting started. Turn it on, follow steps on screen. That's really cool. All right, and there's the base. There's the base, and then here's some of the buttons and Touch ID for the power button there, USB-C, and then obviously you have to charge the powers. You have to charge the stand so it can charge your tablet. All right, we have some basic warranty information, which in the US is usually 1 year of limited warranty. You can kind of see from the sides here that that's all this is for. All right, here's the, oh, that's way smaller than I was expecting. The base is really small. It's light, super light too. They do not want me opening this. There we go. So, in case you haven't seen our Hub and Hub Max unboxing, this design should look pretty familiar to you. It's the same shape, even with the same rubber foot here. And that must be the magnetic connectors, but for the most part, it looks just like the Hub. All right, this must be the power cord required for the dock. You can see goes right there, which is the same place it goes on the Hub. All right, that must be to hold the plug in place. And that's all that's in this box. All right. I'm going to go ahead and plug this in so I can show you guys the dock. All right, let's put this here and there, and let's get to the main meat and potatoes of this unboxing here. So I'm going to go ahead and assume, oh, it's not like the dock. You can actually open this one using the sticker. Okay. Ooh. That feels really premium despite the fact it's got a plastic back, which is a good decision if you have a house full of kids because there's nothing like bending a metal frame and feeling awful. So these feel like rubber feet, which might be helpful if it like falls off its stand maybe. These are must be the contact points for the base here. And then obviously these are the buttons from the instructional. And then you can see speakers and a microphone, speakers, and the USB-C. All right, cool. So just to show you guys, go ahead and get the base and see if it, ooh, that's pretty nice. Yeah, it's pretty secure, just like that. All right. Still turning it on. Okay, we'll do that part later. So on the base here, you can see that there is not much clearance between the bottom of the table and the bottom of the base or counter, or wherever you plan on putting this device. So I see why that they put rubber feet on the bottom. There we go. Start to see the tablet booting up here. Okay, so now you can see it completely turned on. It's got this really cool little welcome screen here, and it's on its base. Now I wanted to go ahead and bring in the Nest Hub Max. So if you see them side by side or top down, I'll do a side by side here in a second, you can see that they're pretty much the same size. Let's go ahead and switch over for you guys. The Pixel's actually a larger screen than the Hub Max is. However, you can see it's further up from the ground, and this one has a much bigger speaker. It doesn't have better speakers or more, surprisingly enough, but it has a larger one because it's supposed to not be removed. So let me see if I can raise this up a little. So I just tried to raise this up a little bit to see if there was a little leeway with the magnet, and there wasn't. So this is basically a finger's length off of the table or counter, whereas this is pretty safely secured. All right, that's the view from the front. I'll go ahead and turn it to the side for you guys. And you can see right there that, yeah, this has a much larger base than this does. But if you look at the backs, you can see where the design came from right here, where they kind of match. The plug goes in the same place. And then the speakers will be in the same place on the base as well. And then you could see here that there's more privacy feature buttons like turning off the mic and the camera. Whereas here it's a full-fledged tablet, so you can do that within the settings. All right, so that is the physical comparison between the new Pixel tablets and the Google Hub Max. There are monetary differences. Like, I believe you can almost buy 2 of these on sale for the price of 1 of these. But we actually only bought this tablet because it went on sale as well. So there's lots of deals to be had. And if your goal is to just have a home device, this is probably better in the long run. And this one has a lot more power if you plan on picking it up and taking it away a lot. And if you guys are interested, we can go ahead and do a review of the Pixel tablets. Let us know down in the comments if that interests you. And with that, I do believe that is the end of our Google Pixel tablet unboxing. Let us know down in the comments if there's anything else you would like us to unbox, and we will go ahead and catch you guys next time.